Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth review about these two platforms, which is NordPass and Sticky Password. So we're going to review the strength, the weakness about this platform to help you make an informed decision about which of these platforms will be a better option for you in 2025. So we're going to review the quick overview about this platform. So talking about the NordPass. NordPass is a cloud-based password manager developed by the team behind NordVPN. It emphasizes easy to use, modern design, and strong security with a zero-knowledge encryption. Talking about Sticky Password on the other side, it's a long-time password manager that offers offline synchronization with local storage and even a one-time lifetime license, ideals for privacy-focused users. Now, talking about the strength and the weakness about this platform. So picking the NordPass, the strength and the weakness. So talking about the strength of NordPass, it has a user-friendly interface with a smooth synchronization across all devices. It also has a zero-knowledge architecture with a biometric login and also offer a password health check and a breach monitoring. Talking about the weakness of the NordPass, so talking about the weakness, it is the offline or the local or is only made for mode, and also the fewer customization option. Talking about the fewer customization option. And also the free version is limited on one device at a time. Now talking about Sticky Password on the other side, which is the strength, it has a local only or Wi-Fi sync for extra privacy. Also, it is lightweight and easy to run on older system, and the lifetime license available for one-time payment. Now talking about the weakness of this platform, which is the drawback, its out-of-date interface and slower updates, lacks a breach monitoring and password health tools. It's also not as modern or team-friendly as a newer platform. Now here's the real conclusion. So if you want a modern cloud synced password manager with a built-in security extras and a published user experience, just go for NordPass. Then on the other side, if you value offline control, local sync, or want a one-time payment without recurring fee, just pick and go for Sticky Password. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two password manager. Thanks.